Hey everyone, welcome to Wistful Drinking. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And today we're going to make a Mezcal Paloma. Now, today a lot of people are probably gonna drink margaritas, but I wanted to make something a little more elevated, a little more delicious in my opinion. I love Palomas, I love Mezcal. Palomas are a grapefruit cocktail, usually made with tequila, but you can also make it with Mezcal. So, Mezcal, what is it? Mezcal and tequila are similar, but they're not the same. They're both made from agave. But Mezcal is tequila's smokier cousin. Mezcal, they cook the tequila in holes or trenches with coal or wood so that it gets that smoky flavor and it's delicious. I absolutely love Mezcal. Mezcal is a little more expensive than tequila because you have some budget tequilas. There really aren't a lot of budget Mezcals. A bottle of Mezcal will probably run you about $40, but it's well worth it. So let's get started with this Paloma. You will need Mezcal, grapefruit, fresh grapefruit juice, very preferred. I always keep fresh citrus around. It's something citrus keeps a long time, so you can always use it, or you can always eat your grapefruit for breakfast if you end up not using it to make cocktails. Fresh grapefruit, fresh lime, and your favorite grapefruit soda. Let's get started. So here's our cocktail glass, and then we're going to measure out 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice that I've already squeezed right here. And then before we put that in there, we're going to add ice to our cocktail glass. And then add in our fresh grapefruit juice. I love grapefruit. I love the bitterness, the sweetness that comes from it. It's just so delicious. And then we're going to take half of a lime. We're gonna squeeze half of a lime in there. Get all that juice out. And then we will add our Mezcal. So when you open it, you just smell that great smoky flavor. It smells a lot like tequila. It reminds you of tequila, but it has that extra something to it, which makes it even better. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of Mezcal right into our glass. And then we're just gonna stir it all up. Give that a very nice stir. And then once you stir it, you want to strain it into your glass. So we have this, we have our strainer. We'll just hold that. I'm not fancy enough yet to just strain it with one hand. One day. We all work on things. So then once you have that, you will top it with some grapefruit soda. And there you have it. We can garnish with a rind from the grapefruit. We'll just peel that off. Add a little twist to expel the oils. You can rim it around your glass if you want, get a little fancy, drop it in there. And there we go, you have your Mezcal Paloma. Delicious, great summertime drink, great anytime drink, great Cinco de Mayo drink. That's so good. The smokiness from the Mezcal, the sweetness and the tartness from the grapefruit. It's so delicious. So cheers, thanks for watching Wistful Drinking.